Hey everybody, it's Damien again from RSU1 Tech TV, and today I want to show you how to convert a Microsoft Word document you've uploaded to Google Drive into an editable Google Doc. So let's get started. You can tell that you have a document that is a Word document by seeing the little W here, and you'll see it has a .docx extension. Go ahead and double-click that. That brings up preview mode. You cannot edit in this mode. You still need to do one more step. So if you move your mouse around, you'll see there's an Open With drop-down menu. Go ahead and choose Google Docs. Google will now convert it into the Google Doc format. After a short wait, you'll see that it pulled my entire document in. It included my image, my font, and the coloring of my font. The last step that you'll need to do is change the name. If it's a multi-word name, I would suggest changing it to the name with spaces. I would also suggest removing the file extension from the end so that it's a better indicator that it is no longer a Word document. In this case, I'm just going to call this report. If I close this and I go back to my drive, you'll see that I now have report.docx and report. At this point, you can delete the original if you want. If for some reason the conversion didn't work properly, you can always delete this version and keep the original. That's all there is to converting from a Word document to a Google Doc format that you can edit. I hope this helps you, and I'm Damien Austin with RSU1 Tech TV, and I thank you for watching.